Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Well, I'm doing okay. I got Ollie with me, and we are over here at the East Pittman Creek Landing. It's actually right off of the Choctawhatchee. Pittman Creek kind of runs into the side of it. It's a pretty small creek, but it's right here off of Highway 2, and it is west of Esto, Florida. And over the last, I'd say 5 or 6 years or so, they've actually done a lot of work out here as far as renovating this whole place. The dock is very nice. They have a nice pier, or ramp or walkway, boardwalk, whatever you want to call it, to get on your boat, and you can actually fish off of it. It's different levels, so when this river does flood, and it does, we'll get up pretty high sometimes, you'll still be able to fish off of it most of the time. But they do have a lot of little pavilions out here. Well, I say a lot, there's 2, but they got a lot of picnic tables. So if you get out here and you want to have a picnic or something out here, or just sit out here, it's kind of like it's almost like a park, I'd say. And during the week, there's not a lot of people around out here. Do watch for ants, because there's definitely out, because I done stepped in about 2 or 3 ant beds, it feels like. The only thing I've noticed since the last time I've been out here is they have cleared some of the overgrowth or undergrowth, I should say, of the forest. Actually, behind me you can probably see it, but they've cleared that out some, so, and there's still growth there, so it looks good. And that's about it. They still have a large porta potty, and I see probably at least 3 grills, if not more. But we're gonna walk around and just check it out and just look around, see if we see anything worth telling you about. Come on. So you can probably tell right in here they've cleaned out a lot of trees. All this was pretty thick, so they've been cleaning it out. It's been a while though, because it does have some undergrowth, but all that's left here is mostly pine trees. Not sure what their plans is for that. But this is the size of the Pittman Creek, the park, I guess, if you want to call it that, or the parking lot. Intentions today was to go to Lake Victor, which is on up the road past the bridge. But I went up there. It's only like 12 minutes from my house. I've been out here since 2005, so 20 years, and I've never been to Lake Victor. So looking at the Google reviews, there's not a lot on there recent, and I assumed that there was a pier there. I heard it was pretty raggedy, but I thought there was still one there. I got out there, and really all they have is a boat ramp, a public boat ramp. It's okay, but it's pretty grown up around. And then on down the road they have an RV park, and it has a boat ramp, but it's private to the RV park from what I understand. So I didn't really find much there. That lake's a nice lake, and it's got a lot of potential, but they need a lot more amenities around there if they want the public to come. And they don't charge to use the boat ramp, so I guess they're not really making any money off of that, unless they other than people buying fishing license, and because you got to have them. But I mean, I wish there was more out there, because it's really a nice lake. If you've ever been to Lake Jackson in Florella, it's about half the size of that, I'd say, probably. It's about they say it's about 28 foot deep, and in the deepest point, but typically 8 foot. and it's a man-made lake as well. It was built in 66 and opened to the public in 68 for fishing. But anyway, that didn't work out, so we just decided we'd stop by here. So let's see what the river looks like out here today. So we got a nice little park bench to sit on and could fish off of, I guess. Ollie, come on. Not sure what the river level is today. How about it, man?
How's it going?
It's a hot one.
I know, it's hard enough.
I thought that rain would cool it off, but it just did it for a little bit.
It did for about 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's right. It did. You too. It sure is pretty though. It's not real low, but when it gets real low, that little sandbar that you see over there, that's Pittman Creek on that side of it. And then over on this side is going to be the river, Choctawhatchee. But when it gets real low, that sandbar will be all the way out. It'll be all the way out to out here. And I've seen people out there on it on vehicles. Sometimes they get stuck. I think Ollie wanting some water. He keeps sure dragging me towards this boat ramp. So we're gonna walk over here on this little section of boardwalk. I really like this way they did this in steps, because I mean, you'd be surprised how high this river gets. But it does get up to this high and past this point when it floods. But you see, if you can tell from right here how far up we are. And that's the other side, and it's not quite as high as this side, but they built it in levels. Certainly don't see nobody out here fishing today. I see one boat trailer out here. Just like that song I always talk about in the summertime, too hot to fish. Unless you come in the morning, and it don't take long to get hot, does it? Ollie wants him a little water, so we're gonna get him some. I saw something, a new sign or something over here on the other side over. Let's go see what this is. It's like some kind of a memorial. Sure is. Let's see what this is. Now this is new. Well, how about that? It says, Honorable Jim King's extraordinary dedication and distinguished service to the citizens of Holmes County as Holmes County Commissioner, District 1, 2000 to 2012, are hereby recognized and honored. This is very new. It says 24-hour video surveillance. Well, that's good. That'll keep this park looking good. Definitely cleaned it up out here. There's some stray cats that somebody feeds out here. Oh, there they are. See the kitty cats, Holly? Them right there to knock you out. Them some serious cats. They grew up in the wild. You grew up in the house. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Don't get over there in that. Come on. How you doing?
Pretty peppy.
Thank you. He's a handful. Let me tell you. You doing all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, Ollie. Let's go. Let's go get over here to the air conditioning. Crank up the truck. That was it. Turn this air down. It's mighty hot today. We got a little bit of a rain earlier today and it cooled it off for a little while, but it didn't last long. So you can tell the river was a little muddy, but it's not bad, and it's definitely not flooded. It's about normal levels right now, so be a good time to go if you can deal with the heat. And this is a great place to put in too, definitely during the week. Sure, the weekends are more busy, as is with any place. Ollie's happy to be back in the truck, ain't you, little buddy? We got the air conditioner going. But anyway, I just wanted to stop by here, and maybe one day I can get back out to Victor Lake and maybe take the kayaks out there and just check it out. It's just there's no kind of picnic tables, not hardly anywhere even to park out there. So I hope that maybe the county can come up with some money, or the Fish and Game can come up with some money and maybe be able to fix that place up, because it really is lacking a lot compared to this, and it's just right up the road. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little short video I'm doing, and I hope you stay with me, hang in there with me. I do plan on doing some more kayaking pretty soon. It's just been raining a lot, and I've been dealing again with a lot of stuff at work. So we're gonna get all that sorted through and hopefully get some clear weather, and before you know it, it'll be fall.